Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrendTV. This is Viprajesh from TAFE Access Limited Tata Car Showroom in Coimbatore. I am here with the brand new 2021 Tata Harrier XZA Plus Dark Edition. While the all-black Dark Edition concept for the Harrier is not new, Tata Motors have introduced some new features on the 2021 Dark Edition for the Tata Harrier. While the exterior and the overall design remains exactly the same, this 2021 Dark Edition now gets an Oberon black shade, which has a deep blue undertone. Compared to the standard Atlas Black, this color feels more premium. And yes, now the 2021 Tata Harrier's Dark Edition exclusively gets 18-inch dual-tone machine-cut alloy wheels borrowed from the Tata Safari. That said, the normal variant of the Tata Harrier still get 17-inch alloy wheels only. Apart from these changes on the exterior, almost everything remains exactly the same, including the dark badging on the front fenders, the glossy black treatment for the ORVMs and door handles. However, the Harrier embossed chrome detailing on top of the window line is also now finished in glossy black. Due to the larger 18-inch wheels, now the Harrier provides slightly more ground clearance only on the Dark Edition model. Moving on towards the rear, almost everything here looks exactly the same, including the sleek LED tail lamps, the black treatment of the rear bumper, and yes, the Harrier badging is also in black. Since the Dark Edition treatment is available from the XT Plus variant onwards, a rear windshield wiper washer with defogger is available as standard. With these upgrades on the outside, the Harrier Dark Edition now looks even more meaner than before. That said, there are interior upgrades as well, which we will get to explore once we get inside.
Opening the driver door of the Tata Harrier Dark Edition for the 2021 year, you can see that there are a lot of updates on this Dark Edition. Yes, the Dark Edition was already introduced a couple years ago, but they have introduced a few more updates on this 2021 Tata Harrier on the inside as well. First of all, you get to see the all black seats, which now get a slightly different tone and treatment. You get to see this tri-arrow design pattern on the seat upholstery. These are Beniki calico leather seats, which are exactly the same in terms of quality. However, you get to see the blue highlights now, which is a new feature exclusive only on the Dark Edition of the Tata Harrier. Then coming on towards other things, well, other things almost remain exactly the same as before, with the all black steering wheel with the piano black finish. Just like before, the Harrier Dark Edition gets this same matrix charcoal kind of treatment on the dash mid pad, which is exactly the same as before, but these seats are completely new as they have blue tinge now and they look slightly better than before, but still the comfort and the overall design remain exactly the same, including the overall design of the dashboard itself. All the features seen on the standard XZA Plus and XZ Plus are available on this car, because this is obviously based on the XZA Plus variant with the 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. Yes, this car also gets multiple multi-terrain drive modes, including wet mode, rough road mode, and there is also hill descent control. Then you obviously get city mode and economy mode along with sports mode as well.
Along with the updated upholstery, the Tata Harrier Dark Edition now gets a completely black roof lining material, which now truly lends an all-black experience. Well, not only the roof lining, the cabin lamp console has also been changed to black color along with the sun visors. And yes, as you can see, all the pillars have also been changed to black color to properly blend in with the black cabin and the black roof lining. Well, in terms of features, this XZA Plus still provides a semi-digital instrument cluster along with all features including automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, smart key access with push-button start. There is also cruise control available from the XT variant itself. Now, this being the top-spec XZA Plus variant, it also gets 6-way power adjustable driver seat along with auto-dimming IRVM. However, this, even though being the top-spec variant of the Tata Harrier, still does not provide an electronic park brake or wireless charging facility. You can see that the center armrest also gets blue stitch lines, and getting into the rear, you can also see the blue highlights on the rear seats just like the front ones. And this blue tri-arrow design pattern has also been integrated into the door armrest pads as well. Previously, these door armrests used to be plain leather without these design elements. And yes, in terms of safety features, the XZ variant onwards, the Tata Harrier also gets 6 airbags along with side curtain airbags, while all variants come as standard with ESP traction control, hill hold rollover mitigation, hydraulic brake assist and brake disc wiping. So that was all about the updates on the inside of the Tata Harrier Dark Edition for the year 2021. With these subtle changes on the exterior and inside, it definitely seems even more appealing now. So that was a quick walk-around review of the brand new 2021 Tata Harrier's Dark Edition top spec variant. With these subtle updates on the exterior and inside, along with the 18-inch alloy wheels which are exclusive only to the Dark Edition, Tata Motors have made the already appealing Dark Edition even more meaner and more premium than before. That's it for the pricing. The Tata Harrier still misses out on some features including wireless charging facility, an electronic parking brake, and an air purifier system. That said, if you want a comfortable, solid and mean-looking diesel SUV, the Tata Harrier's Dark Edition range can definitely be a great option for you. So, meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.